So, this is a brand new scrap yard for making. So, we just haven't got done building it, we're just now making it. So, we're going to make a scrap yard today.
I got you some scrap right over here, little bug.
Yeah.
You're going to have to bring that material handler over here, and I'll drive a tractor and let you load it up, okay?
This has to be separated. Did you know?
Yep. If you say it does, it does. All right, look. What wagon do you want to load this scrap over here up on, okay? Tell me which one. Look, I'm going to drive our Kubota back over here and park it. Where do you want it parked at?
Just right over, way over.
All right, listen.
Right here.
Okay. What's you loading up now, dude, bub? Come over here and show, drive that, and what is that thing called over there again? That caterpillar thing? What is that?
Carry handler.
Material handler? You're right. Show everybody what it does.
Okay. You put it on metal, and it lifts it up.
That's cool. Whoa, did you see that thing slide? You got a pretty nice
But
little...
if it's not this kind of metal, it don't do, right?
If it's plastic, that won't pick it up, will it?
No, or if it's not the right kind.
You have to use the grapple like's on that tractor right there if it's plastic, if that magnet won't stick to it. You know what that's called if a magnet sticks to it?
What?
Ferrous metals.
And the magnet, when the force pulls it up, it's called magnetic.
Yep, and you know if a magnet won't stick to it, you know what it's called?
What?
Non-ferrous. Like stainless and plastic won't stick
And
to it.
steel.
And yeah, steel will stick to it. It's ferrous. But that sure is a pretty cool garage you got over there. Let me check that out. Oh, you got a cow. That's a barn. I see something really cool in there. Wheelbarrows.
Yeah, we actually have 2 of them. You know?
Let me see. Hey, we can move some of that scrap. We can move some of that scrap with wheelbarrows, couldn't we?
Yeah. You drive one.
Okay. Let's put this right here. What do you want me to load up with it?
You can load whatever you want. Like washers, tiny washers. Look. Here's your wheelbarrow, okay?
Okay, got it. All right, I'm gonna take this one. I know what I'm gonna do.
Oh, we gotta get this away. Look, this don't stick.
All right, well, I need to come get that with a wheelbarrow then, or with a tractor, if it won't stick.
Okay.
I thought it stuck earlier.
Let's go. I'll just go get it. Go bring it in the wheelbarrow.
Okay, you show me. There you go. How did you get that apart? Did you do that?
And we did it. Since it don't fit, I have a better one.
You want me to drive the green tractor over there and you load it up?
You can keep using that one because, look, I have another.
Perfect. A high-sided wagon. Great. Let's check out that load. Whoa. Look at that cool-looking tractor right there, Charlie. And it's got a grapple up on the front, too. Okay, show them how to drive that tractor. Where are you going to dump that? Where are you going to stage that load at?
I stage it right over here. We're gonna get like a thing to hold it in. Separated, the same kind of metal has to be with the metal, you know?
Yeah, well, that's what the material handler's for, isn't it?
to sort it out.
You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna build us a scrapyard too, aren't we?
Did you know it's called hydraulic metal?
It is. Sweet. Huh. So that's a pretty cool barn you got over there.
We got
too.
something in here. Now we got more to see.
Oh yeah, let's check it out. The cows is in the barn. How about that? And he's got a trailer sitting in there. There's some more scrap over there. There's a Kubota sitting over there. There is his cattle panel sitting up. And
I'm gonna get this for this old skid steer. Okay?
Okay. One of our videos, we're gonna get all of our farm stuff out and set it up. We've got
I didn't even have to pull it on there. It didn't. Watch.
You're a great operator.
Watch.
No, you're a great operator.
It really did.
Look at that.
I didn't even have to put it on there.
That's awesome. But one day we're gonna make a video when we're gonna get all of our farm stuff out, right?
Right.
We just don't have time tonight because it's a school night, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, school night's what happens.
We gotta go to school.
We had to get in the bed pretty early so we can get up early, don't we?
Yeah, and not be tired of me late.
Yep, can't be tired and we can't be late. But one night when it's not a school night, we're gonna get all of our farm stuff up and we're gonna set it up and we're gonna show all of YouTube land what all
We have done.
our farm's like, isn't it?
Hey, I know what would look kind of cool.
Show me.
Wait, where's...
A wheelbarrow and a shovel.
That looks kind of cool. Actually.
It does. Let me check that out. That's a good working man's tools right there, isn't it? You know what? You could use that. A working man could use that and go over and clean out the inside of the barn. Couldn't they?
Let's go get one of our mans out of our playroom.
Okay. Go in and get it now.
It might be too hot, so go with me, okay?
Okay.
Where's the camera?
All right. I got you.
Hey, can I show them my necklace?
Yeah, show it to them. That's cool, isn't it? Whoa. This is some of our toys, isn't it?
Yeah, this is
Look, I'm going to show them.
Wait.
Oh, look at that big old monster truck. Check that out. Look at that big old dump truck. Tell them about all this stuff, Charlie.
Yeah, we have a Hot Wheels Hall of Fame.
Hot Wheel that's full of Hot Wheel cars. We got a big Volvo.
And a big army tank. Watch this on this army tank.
Whoa. Check it out. But now let me show them our farm. Look, we got stuff here. We got bulldozers. We got, look at this. Look at all this farm stuff we got put up. That's what we was telling you. That,
And we got this thing what we have to build.
oh yeah, that's a tanker semi that we'll make a video of that too, won't we, buddy?
We'll make a video building this actually.
Let's go over here and show them some more of the toys. Tell them what our toy room's a little messy right now.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Look at that. That's an old toy of mine.
Yeah, look at these. Look at all of the toys in here. When we keep these up here, look
Hey,
at
don't we
that.
have a lot of toys?
Hey, look, there is another magnet on that excavator.
Yeah, but it's kind of broken. Show the camera how it's broken.
Oh
See?
yeah, but it still works.
Yeah.
We gotta fix that a little bit.
Yeah.
But there's a bucket truck back there, and
But I want to see my bucket truck. I haven't seen that in a long time.
here you go, right here.
Hey, we might actually bring this in there, actually.
Okay. Hey, look, you got hay balers there. When we play farm next time, we're gonna get all of them.
Hey, you know what? We also got these two semi dump trucks. We might add these two things in here.
Okay, you can add anything you want. It's your farm, can't you?
Only we can add small things.
Yeah, cause cause it's school night, right?
Hey, get this truck right here and this bucket truck.
Okay.
I gotta get this little tractor.
Which little tractor? I'll help you. What you got down there? Hey, buddy, we can't play alone because it's school night, right?
Right.
Now, look. Let me show our audience all of these toys that we got right here.
Show them the big toys up there.
That's all of our remote control stuff up here. Our bulldozers, our road rollers, our excavators with magnets, our trash trucks. Look at that. That's Megzilla Road Monster. And, hey, Charlie, tell them about your power boat right there, how fast that thing goes.
Yeah, that goes like 55 miles an hour.
Did you chase some geese with that one day? Back when it was a little warmer? What did them geese do?
They was like running away. Look at this masterpiece.
Oh, yeah. That goes really fast, doesn't it?
Yeah, if they had a race, I bet that boat would win.
We'll make a video when we get some leaves piled up.
I think this might actually float in the water. I don't know
You
yet.
remember when we had the leaves piled up and you raced through the leaves in that thing? We'll do that again and make a video of that, okay? Oh, steel chainsaw.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Let's go make our video. Now let's go put these on the table.
You want to go show them downstairs before and play a little bit longer before it's school night time?
Yeah, look at all our stuff we got on here.
All right, you want this in here? Bucket truck? Check
Make
that
sure
out.
you put the little wheels.
And this dump truck. We're going to check that out.
Hey, Papa, did you know I think this actually opens? I don't think so.
Well, that one may not. I bet one of them does.
I think that yellow one might. I think it does actually. This one does, I know. It does. It just broke on accident.
It's okay, buddy. We can fix it. We can pop it in. Let's go show them his other toys real quick.
Okay.
Before it gets to here.
Put this on the table.
You want to hold it? I'll put it on the table and I'll fix it, okay?
Let's go downstairs and show them our toys and then we can fix it. Okay?
Yo, tell them, why is your toys downstairs?
Because we got so many, they can't even fit in the playroom.
Hey, here's our basement play area.
Yeah, this is where we hide out when bad storms come. Look at all our things. Look at, we got this, we got this, we got those.
Whoa, good shot. All right, go get your arrow and put it over here. Look at these trucks in here. You got some Raptor.
Show them in here.
Open it up. Let them see it.
Oh,
Here, I'll help you. This is just dump trucks. Look at all them dump trucks in there.
yeah. So our dump truck. Hey, show them our monster truck
Monster dump trucks.
and monster garbage trucks
All
and a
right.
water fishing rod.
Yeah, you want to show them what's in this tote over here?
Hey, show what's in. Oh,
Open that baby up. Here, I'll help you.
I can. Hold the tub down and I'll try to pull it off.
Look at that in there. Monster trucks, cars,
Ambulances,
fire trucks,
trains.
Look at that.
Look, you want me to show you this choo-choo train? Roll.
Pretty cool.
Hey, I'm gonna actually see if. Let's shoot it.
All right, you want me to put the top back on this tote?
I think let's.
Hey, this is a cool, I forgot about this, Charlie. I forgot about this cool Tonka tow truck right here. Check that out. Push that button. Push one of them yellow buttons. That's pretty cool, too.
Hey, wait. Oh, we haven't shown them. This is what we made.
You built that and painted it, didn't you?
Yeah. You want me to show you it rolls, how it rolls?
Yeah. Now, what Charlie done, tell him what you did there.
We made this own race car.
It's pretty cool. We do a lot of things,
Hey,
don't
you
we?
know what? We might even make a video of us making a racetrack and doing this. Hey, we didn't show my cool car in here. Wait, let me show you.
Okay, I'm sorry. I thought you were done.
Hey, look, don't you remember finding this at the beach?
Yeah, you found it with your metal detector, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That's the first thing you ever found with your metal detector, wasn't it?
We found another thing, I don't know where.
Oh, we ain't showed them that Bill Crane over there.
Yeah.
Look at that thing.
Let's show them all this army stuff.
Oh, yeah. So we got a lot of videos. Show them what that chicken does.
You know, we show you this party. This is one of our old babies.
Whoa. That's cool. Look under the table there. There's another skid steer. There's Paw Patrol. There's another Paw Patrol car. Whoa.
Hey, let's show how we cheat inside this train right here.
All right. Let me cock it for you.
No, I can't.
Good job. You can do anything, buddy. I'll slide all the way back.